In Power Query in Excel, you can easily filter unnecessary data in rows in few steps. For example, in this file, I have highlighted the items or the rows which I don't want to be appearing, total sales rep. So to remove them, click inside your table and click on Query, click on Edit. Here Power Query has loaded, so click on any of the headers, in this case product name, and text filter does not begin with. In my case, the items which I want to remove for the rows begins with total sales rep. So I will just put total and hit OK. The next step, load and close to load data back to Excel. Let's zoom in on our data to see. And as you can see, the total for the rows containing totals has been removed.